I recently collected the van from storage, and upon checking the lights I found that this near side position lamp was out. Closer inspection revealed water in the lens at the bottom and quite a bit of condensation on the inside. Removing the lamp also showed that there was corrosion on the terminals. So I decided it was time to get a new set. A quick check on eBay found replacement genuine Hella lights for the princely sum of £11, and they were sold by Bolt-on Bits Limited, Whitehall Road in Bradford. I ordered it on the Friday evening and they were in my hand on the Monday afternoon. Brilliant. They came complete with new rubber grommets to go on and the bulbs, and as you can see, when it comes to refitting, you've got the top one there is straight, and this one and the one on the opposite side have got like a chamfer, and they fit thus: push in and twist. To remove the lamp, it's a simple matter of just unscrewing those two stainless steel screws, one either side of the fitting. It's just a simple matter now of taking off the two connections and refitting them to the new lamp. There's the wiring fitted to the new lamp. As you can see, all nice and clean. So all we've got to do now is push it back into the hole and put the screws back in. And there we go. There's the new lamp fitted, compared to the old water-filled one. There we are. Just do the other side now. And there we go. All legal again. Brand new lights fitted for the princely sum of £11 delivered. If you like what we do at Triple C, subscribe, hit the like button, and if you tap the notification bell, you'll get a notification each time we load up a new video. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.